Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best drywall cutter tools on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Dremel 4000-2/30 High Performance Rotary Toolkit. While I don't own this specific Dremel model, though I wish I did, my Dremel has served me well for accurately cutting drywall in tight spaces that other tools couldn't reach. The Dremel 4000 is a powerhouse of a rotary tool with a variable speed controller that allows you to customize the cutting speed from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, which is more powerful than most other rotary tools on the market. It even comes with several attachments and accessories, including a circle cutter attachment for making perfectly round cutouts in your drywall. To store all of these handy accessories, Dremel also provides you with a sturdy carrying case. Key specs. Type: rotary tool. Manual or power tool, power. Corded or cordless, corded. Model No. 4000-2/30. Pros: powerful, versatile, variable speed control. Includes several accessories and a storage case. Cons: produces a lot of dust. Number 2. Our second best pick is BLACK+DECKER 4.5 amp electric jig saw. Combining affordability and versatility in a robust and compact package, BLACK+DECKER's jig saw can easily tackle any drywall project along with several other home improvement tasks. It features a 4.5 amp motor that delivers up to 3,000 RPM, while also incorporating a variable speed controller in the trigger for maximum control of your cuts. With its built-in dust blower, it can clear drywall dust from your cutting area to maintain a clear line of sight of your work surface. It has a tilting base plate that allows you to make 45-degree bevel cuts, which may not be particularly useful for cutting drywall but can be incredibly handy when cutting wood. For the price, this saw's several remarkable features make it an excellent all-around home improvement tool. Key specs. Type: jigsaw. Manual or power tool, power. Corded or cordless, corded. Model No. DEGES 300C. Pros: affordable, tilting baseplate for bevel cuts, built-in dust blower for clearing dust from your work surface. Cons: the 4.5 amp motor is less powerful than some other jigsaws on the market, which may limit its multi-purpose functionality for other home improvement projects. Number 3. Our third best pick is DeWALT Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. If you're looking for a tool that can do much more than simply cut through drywall, DeWALT's Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit is hard to beat. It's equipped with a powerful 3 amp motor with a variable speed controller integrated into the trigger for superior control. Unlike many other oscillating multi-tools, it has a quick change attachment system for swapping out blades and attachments without the need for a separate wrench, and includes a multi-brand accessory adapter that can accommodate practically any brand of multi-tool attachment. Perhaps most unique is the Tools Guide System attachment that lets you set the blade's cutting depth, so you don't have to worry about cutting through plumbing or electrical lines behind the drywall. To top it all off, the 29-piece kit comes with a triangular detail sander, sanding pads, several types of oscillating blades, and a carrying case to store it all. Key specs. Type: oscillating multi-tool. Manual or power tool, power. Corded or cordless, corded. Model No. DWE 315K. Pros: quick change attachment system, multi-brand accessory adapter, tool guide system attachment for setting blade cutting depth, 29-piece accessory kit and carrying case included. Cons: expensive. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Milwaukee Fastback 2-flip utility knife with storage. There's rarely a lot to get excited about when it comes to a tool as simple as a utility knife, but the Fastback 2 changes all of that. It's a folding utility knife with a unique press and flip feature that allows you to open the blade with one hand, which is incredibly convenient when you're in the midst of a project and have your hands full. For when the blade needs to be replaced, the Fastback 2 incorporates a magnetic storage compartment that folds out from the handle for holding spare blades. Among the other unique features, Fastback included a built-in wire stripper on the bottom of the blade housing. Key specs. Type: utility knife. Manual or power tool, manual. Corded or cordless, cordless. Model No. 48-22-1902. Pros. Compact and easy to carry. One-handed blade opening. Magnetic blade storage. Durable, all-metal construction. Cons. Somewhat expensive for a utility knife. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Hole Pro X305 Twin Blade Adjustable Pro Hole Saw Cutter. The Hole Pro X305 is essentially an entire hole saw kit in a single tool. As opposed to having to select from an assortment of hole saws of different diameters, the Hole Pro utilizes 2 adjustable cutting blades for customizing the hole size from 1 7/8 to 12 inches. It comes with 2 different types of cutting blades, a pair of high-speed steel, HSS, for wood, plastic, tile, laminate, and rubber, and a pair of tungsten carbide blades for drywall, plaster, fiberglass, and plywood. Perhaps best of all, it includes a dust collection cup that keeps your workplace from getting covered in drywall dust and other debris, and you can even purchase a vacuum adapter for attaching a shop vac to the cup. Although this hole saw set is a bit expensive, its ability to essentially replace an even pricier option makes it an incredible value for the money. Key specs. Type: hole saw. Manual or power tool, power. Corded or cordless, cordless. Model No. X305. Pros. Adjustable cutting blades. Dust collection cup included. Vacuum adapter attachment available. Cons. Expensive. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.